Even the ocean's most feared predators sometimes rely on help from a fish no bigger than your finger. It may sound unbelievable, but in coral reefs around the world, tiny fish regularly swim inside the mouths of much larger animals and leave completely unharmed. These small but remarkable creatures are known as cleaner fish, and their unusual job helps keep the ocean healthier than most people realize. Across tropical coral reefs, cleaner fish operate special locations known as cleaning stations. These underwater spots function almost like small service centers, where marine animals arrive to receive an essential health check. Fish of many different species approach slowly and wait nearby, sometimes even forming quiet lines. One by one, they move forward and allow the cleaner fish to begin their work. The service they provide is simple but incredibly important. Cleaner fish remove parasites, dead skin, and tiny pests that cling to the bodies of larger animals. For the visiting fish, it's a chance to stay healthy. For the cleaner fish, it's a reliable source of food. But the most surprising visitors to these stations are powerful ocean predators. Large groupers, rays, and even sharks sometimes arrive for a cleaning session. Instead of hunting, these predators become calm and cooperative. They slow down, open their mouths wide, and allow the tiny cleaners to work safely. In an extraordinary display of trust, the cleaner fish swim around sharp teeth and deep inside the mouth, removing parasites trapped between them. For a few peaceful moments, the hunter becomes a patient client. This is why many marine documentaries describe cleaner fish as the fish that even sharks trust. Despite their small size, cleaner fish play a critical role in maintaining healthy reef ecosystems. Without them, parasites could spread rapidly among reef animals, weakening entire marine communities. Cleaner fish also communicate with other fish through a unique signal. They perform a gentle, dancing motion that announces their cleaning service. When other fish see this signal, they approach the station slowly and respectfully. Even sea turtles have been observed visiting cleaning stations, patiently waiting while the tiny fish remove unwanted hitchhikers. Day after day, cleaner fish quietly maintain balance within coral reef ecosystems. Nature often relies on the smallest creatures to perform the most important tasks. Cleaner fish prove that size does not determine importance in the ocean. Even powerful sharks return again and again for their help. Because in the underwater world, trust sometimes comes from the smallest allies. Stories like this remind us how deeply connected life in the ocean truly is. And sometimes, the bravest creature in the sea is also the smallest one. If you enjoy discovering nature's hidden stories, subscribe to Infinity Documentary and explore more incredible journeys beneath the waves.